Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Valorant not launching problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to fix the things that prevent Valorant from launching. To do this, the first step, click on this system tray and right click on the right client and select exit. And after doing this, go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Search for Right Vanguard. Right click on it and select uninstall. Select yes again. Select this program uninstalled correctly. Now press in keyboard F5 to refresh this page. As you can see, we have deleted Right Vanguard. Now you just need to close it off here. Open the Valorant. Select the update option and update it guys. This will help you to install Right Vanguard. After getting update done, you just need to restart your PC, but before restarting your PC, we need to proceed to the other steps. The second step, you just need to right click on the start icon and select run. In run window, you just need to type a percentage local app data percentage again, click on OK. In here, you just need to delete the Valorant folder, right click on it and delete it. In here, you just need to search for right games folder, double click on it. And inside the right games you just need to delete a right client and Valorant folder, right click on it and delete it. If you get this message, then you just need to click on the system tray icon, right click on the right client and select exit. And after doing this, select try again. Now after deleting it, let's move on to the third step guys. The third step is to set Vanguard to start automatically. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for VGC service, double click on it. Startup type set to automatic. If the service status is stopped, then start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now we have completed the first solution guys. Now you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to close and uninstall programs that are preventing Valorant from launching. Some programs are directed thread by Valorant and prevent Valorant from opening. The name of these programs are Easy Anti-Cheat, Face It Anti-Cheat, and Razer Cortex, and MSI Afterburner, Rivet Tuner, Logitech G Hub, and Blades, and Avast. We need to uninstall these programs guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select uninstall a program. You just need to find it and uninstall it guys. After uninstalling it, you just need to close it off here. And you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to uninstall and reinstall Valorant. To do this, you just need to go to control panel and select uninstall a program. You just need to right click on the Valorant and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, close it off here. Check my video description for this link used in my video. Just need to select the download option and download it guys. After getting download done, you just need to install it guys. And after that, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.